Okay, we're finally doing it. Hey guys, my name is Kyian and this is my brand new YouTube channel, Kyian by Design. Now, I have been on the internet for over a decade now, and that has taken on several different forms. If you've been with me for that long, thanks so much for following and watching as I sort of grow as a person and as my tastes and interests evolve. And that's exactly why I'm starting this channel today. I'm very passionate about interior design, decor, thrifting, fashion, do-it-yourself projects, all of it. And this channel is going to be my opportunity to really release all that content out into the world because I'm really proud of the stuff that I make. In my life, I am a very crafty person and I do make a lot of things that I'm very proud of, but I realized that by not filming and sharing these things, I was basically wasting content. I've decided I'm not really into playing into the YouTube game anymore of doing what's popular just for the sake of getting views. Because that's not why I started doing YouTube in the first place all those years ago. I started doing it because I loved it. So things you can expect from this channel include do-it-yourself craft projects, thrift store finds, home styling tips, and so much more, and I'm really excited to get it started. I hope that you guys will join along for the ride by hitting the subscribe button because I'm really excited to start making beautiful things and be able to share them with you. I would also love if down in the comments you guys left suggestions for things you would like to see me do or make on this channel, because as much as this channel is for me, it's also for you guys. And I'm really looking forward to finally getting this started, so let's just do it. I'll see you next time. Bye!